Hey cadets, this is Mr. Storm. In this video, we're very quickly going to talk about what is Computer Programming 1, meaning what is this course? What are you expected to learn in this course? So this is an entry-level computer programming course. If you've never done any computer programming before, fine, great. You're going to learn all of it from the very basics all the way up to some pretty advanced stuff by the end of this semester. Now this is a semester course, meaning it is 2 terms. There is a more advanced computer programming course called Computer Programming 2, if you believe it or not. And you can take that after you take this course, and that class will be very specific and targeted toward game programming, so programming video games. We are going to make some video games in this class, but it's going to be a much more stripped down way of programming, and you'll see when we get in there. You're going to learn some things like what is a variable, what is a method, what is a loop, what is all this stuff, right? So there's going to be a bunch that you're going to learn in this class. We're going to be making things though, okay? This is a creative class. You will be expected to be creative and actually make something new, which is, as I'm finding out, talking to other teachers, that's not something you're expected to do too often, is just make new stuff. We're going to be making cool stuff that you can show off to your friends and family and say, yeah, I made this. This was, I wrote all the code. Look at this. It's 100 lines of code. I wrote this. I did this. I made this. This didn't exist before I thought it and birthed it into the world. All right. We're going to be making cool stuff. So hopefully you're excited about this. You might be thinking, I don't want to take this nerd class. This looks really boring. And there's probably a bunch of math and a bunch of whatever. Don't, okay? Believe me, don't. Anyone who's done any computer programming before can tell you it may seem nerdy at first, but it's really fun. Okay, there are a lot of cool things we can do with this. We can make all of the apps that you use programming. Okay, all the video games you play, programming. All right, this is how you start. This is the beginning of that journey. If you want to be a developer, if you want to make cool apps for cell phones, if you want to make video games, if you want to make the next big piece of software, which makes you billions of dollars, this is where it starts. Okay, so I'm excited to get started. Let me shut up so we can move on to the rest of the content and you can actually start writing some programs. Okay, peace.